welcome to our fun counting song. Today, we're going to meet 10 little vegetables in a magical garden. We will count them, sing with them, and go on an exciting adventure together. Are you ready? Let's begin. One little carrot, orange and bright, hopping and bouncing in the sunlight. He wiggles his leaves, full of cheer. What a happy little carrot, right over here. Can you hold up one finger for our little carrot? Let's count. 1, 2 little tomatoes, round and red, rolling and tumbling in the garden bed. They laugh and play, what a sunny day. These 2 little tomatoes love to sway. Let's count them together. Hold up 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3 little peas in a pot so green, rolling down the hill. What a funny scene. They giggle and bounce on their roly-poly way. 3 happy peas ready to play. Let's count our peas. Hold up 3 fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Potatoes deep in the ground, peeking up quietly without a sound. They wiggle and pop with a happy cheer. 4 little potatoes growing right here. Can you count with me? Hold up 4 big fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little cucumbers, cool and green, splashing and playing, what a happy scene. They swim and splash on this sunny day. 5 little cucumbers having fun today. Show me 5 fingers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little onions, round and sweet, cooking a soup that smells so neat. They stir and mix with a happy tune. 6 little onions dancing with a spoon. Count with me. Hold up 6 fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little peppers, colourful and bright, flying through the sky like kites in flight. They swoop and soar, such a magical sight. 7 little peppers, full of delight. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little cabbages, round and green, wiggling their leaves in the garden scene. They sway and dance with a happy cheer. 8 little cabbages growing right here. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 little radishes, pink and white, building sand castles, what a happy sight. They dig and scoop with all their might. 9 little radishes shining so bright. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 little vegetables standing in a line, holding hands together, looking so fine. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers too, peas, potatoes, peppers, how we love you. Let's count all our friends. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, little explorers. You did an amazing job counting with our vegetable friends. Counting to 10 is so much fun, especially with carrots, tomatoes, and all our colourful vegetables. Did you have a favourite vegetable today? Keep practicing your numbers and singing along with us anytime you want.